If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel. Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Buzz, and today in this video I'll be sharing the Resurrection Remix ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So I was such amazed because I didn't think that after AEX developers will make any ROM like this. This device is too old now and it's running a very old chipset, and the developers recently made this Resurrection Remix ROM for this Galaxy Grand Prime, which is really cool in my opinion. So let's check what are the inside features of this ROM. So first of all, it's running on the Android version Pie, which we all know, and as you can see, I'm going into the about phone. See, as you can see, it's running on the Android version 9, which is really good. Pie. And other than that, the ROM is stable, and yeah, the devices become a bit sluggish because the chipset is really old. We can't really complain about that. And regarding this connectivity, Wi-Fi is also working. I tested out. I don't think the Bluetooth is working, I guess, but let me just check if it's working or not. The Bluetooth icon, yeah, it's working, I guess, because it's showing the device name and everything else. And yeah, other than that, here are the Resurrection Remix tools. So the tools remains just same as it was before in Nougat or in Oreo or in Marshmallow. Everything remains still the same, but I didn't install the gaps because this is not my primary phone. As you can see, I'm using another phone for as of my primary phone. And yeah, and other than this, the recents is still like the stock, and yeah, the battery life is good, I guess, because I didn't test it out much. And regarding the errors, I didn't get any errors right now, but while installing I got one error. That's the error 7 which it comes. So to remove that, you need to have Notepad++ on your PC or in your laptop, and so just go to YouTube and search for error 7 error in custom ROMs. Just type like that and you will get the solution. Lots of videos are there in YouTube, like how to correct the error 7. Even I also made it working like that. In, as you can see, in AEX ROM, in the previous video there was also error 7. I also in that video also I have said just search for the error 7 in YouTube, you will get it. The process is really simple, so no need to worry. You need to but you can get the solution in the YouTube as well. So yeah, so that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it, and ROM link will be provided in the description box below, so stay tuned. Thanks.